Hi guys, yesterday my catfish fry hatched, and I think all of them but 6 maybe eggs didn't hatch, and the rest of them are right in there. Let me zoom in. Right there, little catfish fry. Right there, right there, right there. Keep losing it, but it's all little catfish fries. So I bought the fish food, which is right here. Says first bite. It was like, I don't know, $3. So I'm gonna try to feed them this. I mean, the first couple days they should be okay, but then I'm gonna feed them this for a little bit, and I'll give you an update in, I don't know, maybe a week. See how many gonna survive and how is it going on. So subscribe for my channel, and I'll keep you posted. Bye.